Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing both devices. Charge the watch to at least 50% and turn Bluetooth on your phone. Open the official watch app you installed. This app handles authentication and profiles. Once done, keep the watch screen active and the phone unlocked because background locks interrupt pairing. Start the app's pairing flow now. Tap Pair or Start. You do this because the app exchanges secure keys. Without the app, the devices cannot complete the trusted handshake. After discovery, you'll see your watch listed. Tap it to initiate the link. A numeric code appears on both the watch and phone. Confirm they match, because this prevents someone else from hijacking the session. Then authorize permissions the app requests: location for Bluetooth scanning, notifications for alerts, contacts for caller ID, because the watch uses those services. Make sure to accept any system dialogues immediately, otherwise the app will pause, and you must restart the pairing attempt. Finish by allowing the app to sync time, watch faces, and any health profiles. This step customizes the device to your settings. Once synced, test notifications and a quick call to ensure calls and alerts route correctly. If pairing fails, restart Bluetooth on both devices, reboot phone, or toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds. These simple actions clear transient errors. If nothing works, perform a factory reset on the watch as a last resort. That clears corrupted pairing data, so you can start the process fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.